Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to use the Teachable app. First, download the Teachable app from your device's App Store, whether it's the Apple App Store or Google Play. Once installed, simply log in using your existing Teachable account details. If you're new, you can easily create an account. After logging in, you'll land on the dashboard, which is designed for easy navigation to all your enrolled courses and learning materials. Once you're in, accessing your learning content is straightforward. Simply tap on any course from your dashboard to dive into its curriculum. You can watch high-quality video lectures directly within the app, ensuring a seamless learning experience. For added flexibility, many courses allow you to download materials, enabling you to continue your studies even without an internet connection, perfect for commutes or travel. The Teachable app offers several interactive features to enhance your learning. You can actively participate in course discussions, asking questions, and connecting with both instructors and fellow students. The app also helps you track your progress with clear completion indicators, showing you exactly where you stand. Plus, you can complete quizzes and assignments directly within the app to solidify your understanding of the material. To make the most of your Teachable app experience, consider these tips. You can easily adjust video playback speed from half speed to 2 times faster to suit your personal learning pace. Use the powerful search function to quickly locate specific lessons or topics across all your courses. Finally, set daily reminders within the app to help you maintain a consistent study schedule and achieve your learning goals effectively.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.